Hello friends, Drew here in beautiful Leninburg, Pennsylvania, trying to stop a roof leak. Customers having problems with water getting in below this window onto their ceiling and causing some damage all along this tape joint down in the room, and then in this corner and in this wall all the way down. And so we came out today planning to take this apart and, hopefully fix some layers, put things back together, figure out what's going on. First thing I did when I got up here is like, all right, well, here's the obvious spot where the water's getting in. How do we stop it? Let's start taking some siding apart. And it's time to press pause on this project for today because there's no house wrap. It's just straight OSB. Normally I'd come up here and I'd fix the layers, but there's no layers for me to fix. They're not there, they don't exist. Now, 30 years ago when this house was built, Tyvek probably wasn't required. 20 years ago, they needed it on the house, but not necessarily on attic, gable walls, or on garages. 10 years ago, as far as I know, Tyvek's required everywhere. So I'm not sure if this siding's original. It looks in too good of shape to be original siding. So I'm guessing it was redone at some point, but no house wrap was added. In fact, I can see watermarks and drip marks right here on the back side of things. So we know that water is getting in. So about the best that I could do, we could probably take this apart and try to, flashing tape the step flashing up to the wall to try to help solve it. But I think the end of the day that the right answer for this project is going to be for us to come out here with a couple of guys and the pump jacks and the ladders and the clicks and the plank, and we're going to remove all this siding all the way up and over, and we're going to put house wrap on this entire face of the house. And then once we've got house wrap on it, then we can reinstall the siding. And we're also probably going to give her a quote to reside the whole house with windows and doors so she can see what her options are. But unfortunately, because the builder or whoever did the siding took a shortcut and didn't put any house wrap on, there's no way for me to effectively easily stop their roof leak. So we're going to take this apart, get her a price to redo all of this, put the house wrap on, get it around the window correctly, and then she won't have to worry about the water coming in, and we can focus on fixing the drywall inside. So if you see somebody putting siding on a house and there's no house wrap, cry foul, because it's not right. Makes me shake my head. Drew here in Leninburg, Pennsylvania for Coat Built, your full service construction and renovation company. Pennsylvania Home Improvement Contractor number 88078. We do it all: roofing, windows, siding, doors, decks, additions, new construction homes, garages, and all of your interior repairs as well. Painting, drywall, plumbing, electrical. If you've got a problem, take a picture, send it to us here on our Facebook page. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, hit that notifications bell at the top so you get notified about our videos. And we will catch you guys in another video. Remember, we're done with it. You'll be proud to say it's not just done, it was Coat Built. Bye for now.